When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have a... It's how this, to articulate this theoretically, you have to go into a lot of details. Like you have to understand how many shades of white to use, how many shades. Disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also removed from these phonological show of conscious perception. So you have the conscious mind, you have the subconscious, and you have the pre-conscious or universal unconsciousness. Now, this area below the conscious mind is where we get into areas like psychodynamics, which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself,
autism, there's always something new. And so, like, do you have any theories on how this manifests in so many kids these days? Because it seems like statistically the numbers have been...
Is augmented, modified, or augmented. Emotional fluctuation. You have former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation.